So on today with sailing Snowfire, we are going to have a look at trying to sort out an issue with the vetus raw water inlet strainer. And the issue I am having is that when sailing underway with the seacock open, I think the angle, the tilt of the boat is siphoning the water out of the strainer, and ultimately when it's really keeled over, it's probably siphoning out of the pipe which goes this green and black one, which goes to the impeller, which is there, and then the impeller is losing water and it's not self-priming. So the plan today is to move the position of the water strainer down such that only about a quarter of it is above the water level. You can see the water level in the clear plastic pipe there. The seacock's open, it's bouncing around a little bit, but it's got to get it somewhere around about there, which is maybe slightly problematic. Seems to be at the same height as the bulkhead, so the ideal position would be down in there perhaps, but I'm not sure at the moment. I'm going to do some thinking and then update this video. So after a lot of deliberation, plan was to put it down there somewhere near the primary fuel filter, but that's just going to be painful to get to. And the main issue is that the water line is about an inch below this bit here, and there's nothing to fix it to. So change of plan. Going to try and fit it. I have to adjust the length of that pipe, but I'm going to try and fit it in the inside of the step around about there, maybe a touch lower, and I'm hoping that will, well, definitely be easy to get to. I don't think it's going to interfere with the alternator belt or anything like that, so that's the plan. It is going to require some modification to the step itself, so I'm going to have to cut out a little bit here probably, but I don't think that'll be too much of a drama. So anyway, onwards. So bit of an update. So I've got the strainer fitted in that position now, and this pipe is too long, so I'm going to have to cut that, but the water level is hopefully just going to be below the top of that inside pipe, which is the raw water intake bit. So a bit more work to do, but nearly there. So the strainer installed, it all seems to be working fine. I'm a bit worried about whether it's close to this, but it's all clear. Certainly seems to be working okay at the moment, but I'm going to take it for a sail and see whether we'll get the cycling issue again. I hope you've enjoyed watching this episode of Sailing Snowfire. With any luck, the raw water strainer is all sorted now. Do keep an eye out on our channel for more interesting videos.